You can use a professional business email address inside Gmail without paying for a Google Workspace plan. In this video, I'll show you how to send and receive custom domain email address directly from Gmail. You only need a domain such as yourbusiness.com. Then you can create email addresses like contact@yourbusiness.com, hello@yourbusiness.com, or an address for yourself or for your employees. I'll show you the process whether your domain is already connected to a WordPress website, Shopify store, or another website, or whether you have only purchased the domain for your business or personal brand and you do not have a website yet. We will use Cloudflare to receive the emails. Then we will use SMTP to go to send. So SPF DKIM and DMARC pass and your emails land in the inbox, not in spam. Everything happens inside Gmail without paying for Google Workspace or separate email hosting. Let's get started. First, we need to sign up on Cloudflare. I am on the Cloudflare website, cloudflare.com. Here, I'll click this login button and I'll select sign up. You can sign up with your email address or you can sign up with Google. I'll continue with Google. Here, first I'll go to domains and overview. Now we need to add the domain name. I'll click add domain, then I'll select connect a domain. I'll type the domain name, that is nurislam.in, and I'll keep all the recommended settings here. If you have a website with the domain name, then make sure it imports the DNS records. So Cloudflare will be the new DNS hosting for that website. I do not have a website with this domain name, but I'll show you the process when you have a website with the domain name. Here I'll click continue. We don't need the pro plan here. The free plan is enough for this method. I'll click select plan. Currently the domain is on Namecheap. It is using the Namecheap basic DNS. So it found these DNS records from Namecheap. If you have a website with the domain name, it will show the DNS records from the hosting. The process is same. I'll click continue to activation. And now it gives me two name servers. I need to update the name servers to the domain. I'll copy the first name server and then here I'll go to Namecheap and here I'll select custom DNS. If you have a website with the domain name, you will see two name servers here. You need to replace the name server with Cloudflare name servers. I'll paste it, then I'll copy the second name server and I'll paste it here. When you have a website and you have different name servers here, you can replace them. It will not break the website because Cloudflare will manage the DNS. Now I'll click the tick button. It says DNS server update may take up to 48 hours to take effect. Here I'll click I updated my name servers. It says waiting for your registrar to propagate your new name servers. It can take 1 to 2 hours but may take up to 24 hours. So I'll click check name servers now. So it can take up to 1 hour. I'll come back again when the name servers are propagated. I have received an email from Cloudflare. It says the domain is now active on Cloudflare. So I'll go to Cloudflare. I'll refresh this page. Your domain is now protected by Cloudflare. It means the name servers are now updated. I'll go to next steps. It says go to DNS. I'll click this link and here are the DNS records. If you are using any other email services or if you have a website with any hosting provider, they will have MX records for the domain. So you see here, previously I have used Zoho for this domain. So I need to remove these 3 MX records. Doesn't matter which hosting provider you have used, you will have 2 or 3 MX records here. You need to delete those MX records. So we can use the domain for receiving emails via Cloudflare. I have selected these 3 MX records and I'll click delete 3 records. I'll type delete and click delete. Make sure if you have any SPF or DKIM records from the previous provider, you need to delete those records as well. So when I was using this domain for Zoho, I have 3 records here. I need to delete this. Now we need to set up the emails. So under the domain overview, I see email. Here I'll select email routing. Here I'll go to routing rules and first we need to enable this catch all. I'll click here. I'll click edit. For the catch all rule, I'll select send an email. and here I'll type my Gmail address. So any email comes to this domain will be forwarded to this email address. We need to verify this email address. I'll click add new address. Here I'll enter the Gmail address and click add address. It says verified because we have signed up using this email. If you are using another email to catch all emails, you need to verify that email. Now I'll go to email routing. Here first we need to onboard the domain. We added the domain, but for the email routing we need to onboard it. I'll click onboard domain. I'll select the domain here. I'll click continue. Now Cloudflare will add some MX records and some TXT records here. We deleted the previous MX records and SPF records and DKIM records. So I'll click activate. Now we need to create the custom email addresses. For custom email addresses, I'll click routing rules. Here I'll select create routing rule. I'll add hello@noorislam.in and action send to an email. So whenever someone sends an email to this address, we need to forward the email to this Gmail address. We added this Gmail address to catch all emails. You can add any other email address here. I'll click save. I added one custom domain email address, but you can add multiple addresses here. When you need to create one email address, just click this create routing rule button, add your email address here and select this domain, and here select send to an email, and you can use any email address here. Now we can receive emails to this address. Let's see how it works. I'll type hello@noorislam.in, subject test. This is a test email and send. We should receive the email in the Gmail account. Let's wait. Here I have received the email. The email was sent to hello@noorislam.in, but we are receiving the email inside the Gmail account. This is the Gmail account, you see. So the receiving email part is done. Now let's see how to send the emails from Gmail using the custom domain email address. We will use SMTP to go to send the emails. You can also send emails without SMTP to go by using Gmail as the sending service. However, for business emails, this method may have deliverability issues and some messages may land in the recipient's junk folder. That is why I am using SMTP to go in this video. If you would like a separate tutorial showing the Gmail only method, let me know in the comments. On SMTP to go, I'll select the free plan, click get started, and I need to use the custom domain email address we just created. That is hello@noorislam.in. I'll click continue. This email address is already active. We will receive the emails in Gmail. Here I'll fill in my name. I'll create a password. I'll use a strong password and sign up. I have received the verification email. I'll click activate account. And this email was sent to this address, hello@noorislam.in. This is the SMTP to go dashboard. Here first we need to verify the domain. I can add a verified sender here, or I'll go to sending and I'll go to SMTP users. I'll click continue. I'll click add SMTP user, and here this is the username. I'll keep the domain name as the SMTP username, and this is the password. We will use this password to connect inside Gmail. So I'll copy the password, then I'll click add SMTP user. Now we need to verify that sender. I'll click verified senders. I'll click add a sender domain. I'll add my domain name here. Continue with this domain. And it says verify your DNS. I'll click setup manually, and it provides some CNAME records we need to add in Cloudflare. So I'll go to Cloudflare. Here I'll click overview under domain. I'll select the domain. I'll select DNS, records, and then I'll click add record. The first record is CNAME. This is the host name. I'll copy the host name. I'll select CNAME here. I'll paste it here. For the target, I'll copy this target. I'll paste it here. And for the proxy status, I'll disable this and save. Next, I need to copy the second CNAME. I'll click add record. I'll select CNAME, paste the name here, then copy the content and paste it inside target and save. The third CNAME is link. It is for enable click tracking. You will send the emails via Gmail, and inside your SMTP2Go account, you can see an analytics. You can see how many people opened the emails, how many people clicked the links. So we need to add this CNAME. I'll copy the name and I'll click add record. I'll select CNAME. I'll paste it here. Then I'll copy the content, paste it here. I'll disable this proxy status and click save. Now I'll click verify. It can take up to 30 minutes. Let's see. Okay, it says your sender domain nurislam.in has been verified successfully. Now I'll go to SMTP users. On SMTP2Go, first you need to verify the sender, then you can create the SMTP users. But it's fine, I have created the SMTP user first, then I verified the domain. Now we'll add the custom domain email in Gmail to send the emails. Here I'll click settings, see all settings. I'll select accounts and imports. Under send mail as, I'll click add another email address. You need to type your name here. This is the name for the email address. I'll type my name. For the email address, I'll type hello@nurislam.in. I'll keep this option enabled. I'll click next step. By default, it copied the SMTP server for Cloudflare, but we are using SMTP2Go to send the emails. So we need to copy this SMTP server. I'll paste it here. For the SMTP username, I'll copy the domain name because the domain name is our SMTP username. I'll paste it here. Then I'll paste the password. This is the SMTP password from SMTP2Go. Then I'll click add account. It will send a verification email. I'll close this. Here I have received the verification email. I'll click this link and I'll click confirm. Now when I compose a new email, I can select the custom domain email address here. Let's send an email. I'll add a subject, I'll add a body, I'll send it to this address. Let's click the send button. The email has been sent. I have received the email and here you see the name. I have added this name in Gmail. This is the email address hello@nurislam.in and the email was mailed by the SMTP server. So the email sending is successful. Let me reply to this email. I'll click reply. Wow, I have received the email. Sent. Let me go to this inbox. Yeah, I have received the email here. The email was sent to this address and was sent from this address, mailed by this address, signed by Gmail. Initially, we are receiving the email in Cloudflare. Cloudflare is forwarding the email to Gmail. And for sending the emails, we are using SMTP2Go because we want the emails to land in the inbox of the recipients, not in the junk folder. SMTP2Go handles everything. So now you can send and receive emails inside Gmail using your custom domain email address without paying for a Google Workspace plan. If you have a Shopify store, you can watch this video to see how to set up a custom domain email address for a Shopify domain. That's it for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.